Worried about the impact of vaping on health? Isn't it concerning to know how vaping affects our youth's lungs and brains? Meet the Sensory Vaping Education Program. A hands-on, sensory-based experience that teaches youths about vaping's real effects on lungs and brain. It makes complex health topics engaging and memorable. How it works. Students shape Play-Doh to represent healthy lungs. They squeeze and stretch it to understand lung elasticity. Sand and beads are added to represent vape chemicals. The dough becomes harder to stretch, showing how chemicals reduce lung capacity. Slime represents a healthy, elastic brain. Students stretch and squeeze it to understand brain function. Beads are added to show how substances affect brain elasticity. This demonstrates how vaping can rapidly damage lung tissue. The slime becomes less stretchy, symbolizing impacts on thinking, behavior, and concentration. Students learn about long-term risks like addiction and memory loss. This sensory method helps participants feel, not just hear about, the effects of vaping. Plus, it encourages reflection on health choices and builds vital knowledge about vaping. Makes learning interactive, fun, and memorable. Helps students visualize and physically experience the effects of vaping. Increases engagement and retention through hands-on activities. Encourages reflection on personal health choices. Feedback from teachers and students highlights the interactive and informative nature of the program. Sensory tools help students learn effectively. Hands-on activities made the information accessible. Students need this type of learning to understand complex concepts. Builds health literacy and empowers young people to make informed decisions. Suitable for primary, high school, youth groups, and adults. Proven effective across diverse communities, including indigenous communities in Cape York. Presentations kept students attentive and engaged. Colorful display and equipment materials engaged students. Explicit information about the harms of vaping and smoking. Practical hands-on activities ensure lasting memories for students. What our participants say. My experience working in schools across southwestern Sydney. The sensory vaping workshop started to have a ripple effect across southwestern Sydney local health district, including Ashcroft High School, Miller Technology High School, All Saints Catholic College, Liverpool, Indy College, Fairfield, East Hills Girls Technology High School, Bankstown Girls High School, First Nations Youth Group, Bankstown, Lernia High School, Airts High School, and Elizabeth MacArthur High School. And created partnerships with Go For Fun program at Southwestern Sydney Local Health District, SWSLHD Population Health, SWSLHD Multicultural Services, and received a Finalist Award at Southwestern Sydney Local Health District Quality Healthcare Awards 2025 and presented at Health Beyond Research and Innovation Showcase 2025. Anonymous. Hands-on activities help students visualize the effects of vaping. Anonymous. The presenters were engaging and made the learning process fun. Anonymous. Sounds exciting? Book the Sensory Vaping Education Program today.